Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a landing page on an existing Wix website. A landing page isn't just another page, it's a focused conversion tool. Unlike your homepage, which does a bit of everything, a landing page has one goal: get the visitor to take a specific action, sign up, buy, book, etc. If you treat it like a normal page, it won't perform. If you build it intentionally, it can become the highest converting part of your site. Start by opening your Wix editor. This is where you manage your site's structure and design. From the left-hand panel, click on Pages and Menu. What this section does: this controls your entire site structure. Here you can add new pages, organize navigation, manage what users see. Inside this section, click on Add Page. This is where you create a new page on your site. You'll now see different page types. Select Landing Page. Why choose Landing Page? Wix gives you pre-designed layouts optimized for conversion. These templates are built to capture attention, guide users toward one action, and minimize distractions. Once you click Landing Page, a list of templates will appear. Browse through them and choose one that fits your goal. Then click Add Page. What just happened? A new landing page has been added to your site. It will appear in your pages list and can now be edited like any other page. Now you can start customizing it. You can change text, replace images, add buttons, CTA, modify layout. Important mindset shift: don't design randomly, design with a goal. Every element should answer, what action do I want the user to take? Then preview your page. Once you're done editing, click on Preview. What Preview does: it shows you how users will actually see your page. This helps you check layout, test buttons, review flow. What you just did: big picture. You created a new page, selected a landing page template, customized it, previewed the final result. You built a conversion-focused page inside your site. Important clarifications: a landing page should not behave like a homepage. Avoid too many links, too many distractions, multiple goals. Also, adding the page doesn't automatically make it effective. Design matters more than the template. To summarize, creating a landing page on an existing Wix website involves opening the Wix editor, navigating to the Pages and Menu section, and selecting the option to add a new page. By choosing the landing page category, you gain access to a variety of pre-designed templates optimized for conversions. After selecting and adding a template, you can fully customize the page to match your goals, including editing content, layout, and calls to action. Finally, using the preview feature allows you to view the page from a user's perspective before publishing. While the process itself is simple, the effectiveness of a landing page depends on how well it is structured around a single objective. When designed intentionally, a landing page becomes a powerful tool for driving user actions and improving overall website performance. And that's how to create a landing page on Wix. The steps are easy, but making it effective is where most people fail. Don't just build it with intent. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.